Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this wedding guest makeup look, especially for beginners. It's a signature wedding guest look. As you can see, it's a golden eyes with red lips, and it's very easy to create, and it's look very beautiful on any wedding function or any other function or party. So if you want to know how I just create this look, please keep on watching. So first I need to moisturize my face. For that I'm using aloe vera gel from Good Vibes. You can use any other aloe vera gel or any other moisturizer, but aloe vera gel is really good for your skin, especially for the beginners, because it's not harmful for your skin. It's really good, and also you can use it as a primer, so you don't have to use primer separately. But if you want to use primer, I'm giving you two options. From one is from Blue Heaven and another one is from NYB. I'm using the NYB one, and both of them are good. Both of them are silicone based, are affordable and good one. I'm using the NYB. As you can see, I'm out of focus, but still you can see that I'm focusing on the T-zone areas mainly, where our skin most of the time get oily. Now for foundation I'm using the Wet n Wild. Also concealer I'm using from Wet n Wild. For beginners I'm suggesting you go for a good branded concealer or foundation if you want to use that, because don't go for any cheap one. I'm not saying you go for a high-ending product, but buy a branded product which is good, not going to damage your skin. So Wet n Wild is a good branded product, good brand. And also you can go for Maybelline Fit Me range. They are also very good, good for beginners. So I'm using the foundation from Wet n Wild. I'm in the shade Photo Focus foundation. I'm in the shade Beach. I'm just blending with my damp beauty blender. As you can see, I'm applying a very little amount of foundation. On top of that, I'm going to use the concealer, also from Wet n Wild, in the shade Medium Beach. Under my eyes, top of my nose, a little bit on the forehead, on chin area, and also just under my contouring line, to highlight the area. I'm blending with the same beauty blender. In any type of makeup, blending is the main key. You have to blend very well so that it looks very natural. Now to set my base, I'm using Color Essence HD Compact Powder. I'm going to use a fluffy brush for that. If you have one fluffy brush, you are all set. You don't need any other brush for your face. Now I'm setting my concealer first, and then I'm going to set my whole face with the same compact powder. Now for eyeshadow, I have this beautiful option from Makeup Revolution, Pretty Incredible palette, which is really incredible. As you can see, the colors are really nice. Also has a bronzer and a highlighter. I'm taking this light peachy orange shade from the same palette as a transition shade today. I'm blending it very well with a fluffy brush on my crease line first. Then I'm taking this golden shade from the same palette and applying it on my eyelids with a tip eyeshadow brush, which comes with any eyeshadow palette. And as you can see, I'm over applied it, but don't worry, I'm going to blend it very well with the first color, the peachy color, the same fluffy brush. Now I'm taking this dark brown color from the same palette, and with a dome shape brush I'm pointingly applying it just on the outer V area, as you can see, on my both eyes. This step is optional, but it looks really natural, really good on your eyes. It's increase the depth of your eyes. Then I'm going to blend everything with a clean brush. Don't over blend it, just like this. Just lightly blend it. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows with this dark brown color from the same palette. Taking NYB liquid liner, I'm going to create my wing line today. Then I'm going to use this Candle Eye Mascara from Rimmel, London. And I'm not going to use the eyelash curler today because it's not beginner friendly. You can hurt yourself, poke your eyes. Don't go for it. This mascara is really nice because the wand is really curvy. As you can see, it's really easy to apply on your mascara. Even if you're beginners, you can easily apply it on your lashes. Then I'm using this white pencil from Miss Claire on my waterline. It's a very unique step to instantly make your eyes bigger than your natural size. Then I'm going to use the same dark brown color from the eyeshadow palette, Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I'm just smudging it under my lower lash line. The color I have applied on my eyebrows, I'm applying the same color. Now to highlight my inner corners, I'm using the same golden color. Now I'm going to coat my lower lashes with the same mascara. Now taking the bronzer from the same Makeup Revolution palette, I'm applying it on my face. As you can see, it's not a contouring shade, it's a highlighting bronzer shade. You can use it just to give some dimension to your face. Also, I'm applying a little bit around my nose. I'm taking the same peachy light peach color. I'm applied on my crease line, applying it as a blush today. I'm not going to use any other blush palette. As you can see, this palette is really multi-purpose palette. You can use it as a blush. Also, it has a highlighting and bronzer shade. So you don't have to go for any another blush palette or highlighter or bronzer palette. So taking this highlighting shade to highlight my face, I'm using fan blush. You can use any fluffy brush you have. Highest point of my cheekbones, tip of my nose, cupid bow, chin, a little bit on my forehead also. And also not going to, don't forget to highlight your brow bone areas. Now for lips, I'm going to use this lip lacquer from Palladio, Herbal Lip Lacquer in the shade Oasis Red. As you can see, it's a beautiful red color. Now for wedding guest look, I think pink and red is the best option. Now finally, I'm going to set my makeup with Wet n Wild setting spray. So here I have my final look, my signature wedding guest makeup look, especially for beginners, golden eyes with red lips. I hope you like it, but I'm not satisfied with my eye makeup today. Here I'm about to sneeze, but I controlled it because I'm on camera. As I'm saying, I'm not satisfied with my eye makeup because I don't know why this NYB liner just behaves strange today. Otherwise, it's good. Maybe I over applied it. Anyways, that's my final look. That's my wedding guest makeup look. I hope you like it. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also turn on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.